Hi everyone, and welcome back for another video on a strategy that we can use to help us multiply. Today's strategy is an array, and our EQ is how can I use arrays to help me multiply? Question mark, because it is a question. All right, so what is an array? Well, an array can be used to help us model a multiplication problem. Remember, the first number stands for rows times columns. Rows go across or horizontally, and columns go vertically or up and down. This is an array for the problem 4 times 3. Remember, the first number stands for rows. The second number stands for columns. If I were to look at this, I can see that this array has 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Now, all I have to do is count how many are in this array. So 4 times 3 equals 12. There are 12 circles in this array. Let's look at some examples here. How many rows of how many in each row? So remember, rows, if I look back at this one, go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many in this first one do I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows of how many in each row? Well, in this one row, there's 2. So my multiplication problem is 3 times 2. And what does 3 times 2 equal? I'm going to count the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's look at these squares here, these red squares. First, let's find out how many rows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the multiplication problem would be 4 times 5. If you didn't know what 4 times 5 was, you could count how many are in the array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's look at these last 2 right here. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is my multiplication problem, and 3 times 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last model, how many rows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in each row? 1, 2. The problem is 5 times 2. 5 times 2, if you don't know it, we're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, not 12, 10. All right, so that's how you read an array. Now let's figure out how to model or build our own arrays. We're going to do 3 times 4. Remember, I'm going to have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, with 4 in each row. So 1, remember to count that first one. 2, 3, 4. There's 4 in this row. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my rows with 4 in each. All right, so now I can see I have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, with 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to figure out 3 times 4, all I have to do is count the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll model one more together. So we'll do 5 times 3. The number of rows times the number in each row. 5 rows. 1, let's switch it up. Let's do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 3 in each. And remember to count that first one. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now 5 times 3, all I have to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 5 times 3 equals 15. If you still need some help with arrays, please let Ms. Long know and have a great day.